Let the graph of g be a translation 6 units down followed by a reflection in the x-axis of the graph of f of x equals the absolute value of x. Write a rule for g. Use a graphing calculator to check your answer. First, write a function h that represents the translation of f. A translation 6 units down is a vertical translation that adds -6 to each output value. So h of x equals f of x plus -6. Next, substitute the absolute value of x for f of x to get h of x equals the absolute value of x minus 6. Then write a function g that represents the reflection of h. A reflection in the x-axis changes the sign of each output value, so g of x equals -h of x. Next, substitute the absolute value of x minus 6 for h of x to get g of x equals negative the quantity the absolute value of x minus 6, which simplifies to g of x equals negative the absolute value of x plus 6. Next, check your answer. Graph f and g on a graphing calculator. Notice that the graph of g is a translation 6 units down, followed by a reflection in the x-axis of the graph of f. So the transformed function is g of x equals negative the absolute value of x plus 6.